Hey YouTube, welcome back to Skyrox on 50. My friend is kind of a noob to Msp. He doesn't know how to do anything, to be honest, and he asked me to do a glitch video. I don't know all the glitches, so I can't really help with all of them, but I have seen some videos, so I do want to try out, like, the VIP face thing. I already have a VIP face, but I kind of want to like change the eyes and see if it works. So, yeah. Because I do want a different color if that works. So I'll try it first. If it doesn't work after like 4 or 5 tries, I'll just move on to the glitches I know. I will be doing how to send a VIP item to a non-VIP member, and then the drip glitch, how you would level up like that. So, yeah. To be honest, I don't know if I have a drip on this account right now, so I will have to look, but if not, I can look for my fame lady that I know is buried deep. So let's get on with this video. So for this glitch, you have to hit buy first, like where I'm clicking, and then you have to click here, and then really quickly hit this and see if it did anything. I think it did, kind of, but you can't really tell because a lot of people that did try end up with the same eye color. So doing the same eye just won't really help, so I'm gonna choose a different one to work with. I'll do this one, whatever it is. Okay, the weird emoji eyes, or whatever it's called. See if it works. Some people say it does take a few minutes and a few tries, so yeah. And if it went back to the first page, I'm just choosing one of them because I don't feel like doing it because I'm lazy right now. Okay, we'll do this one. Does it look like it worked? Nope. Okay, so I'm lazy right now, so I quit. So I'm going to work on the drip glitch, so I'm going to go to my real backup because like I do have accounts from when I did do the drip glitch because I do like leveling up to get the rares. So yeah, while this is loading up, I'll just show the other one really quickly. I'll send a random VIP item to my backup. The drip glitch, we're going to just see that it moves up the fame bar a little because I don't feel like wasting all of my gifting limits, so yeah. This video is going to be pretty short, but I don't feel like adding the intro either, so there wasn't an intro before we started. If it doesn't work, we will know, because it wouldn't be the item that I wanted when I open it. We're going to go for whatever this is. An ugly Batman mask. So I don't think I hit gift, or I did. So I'll show it again without actually doing it. So if it would load up, I can show you. Because I did that a little too quickly. But we did see it actually worked because it was lagging a lot. And then if we went to the next page where it was, you would see it's not there. Was it on this page? Yeah. Or not. I don't know what page it was on. It was this one. See, it's not here anymore. So you would click whatever's non-VIP. We're going to pretend this Ari here is a VIP item. So you would click the non-VIP item, then you would click give gift, and then you would hurry up and click the Ari. And I just gave it because I don't like Aris. And then when this loads, I will log into that account and we'll see that it worked. That's one of the ones I know. This also works for diamond items or boy clothes. You would do the same thing. You would just do non-diamond or non-boy clothes and then click on the boy clothes or diamond item. And I'm going to pause because my bro's coming up. He didn't bother me, but I didn't want him talking on it because he is really, really loud. I'm not sure if this is even my password for it. I think it's still this because I never wanted it anymore. And I gave it to some girl. And she's going to change it hopefully soon. If not, I'm taking it back because, like, yeah. So, the gifts, you would just be on the profile and click the present, and then the Ari that we glitched, which wasn't VIP, is here, and then the weird mask thing that was VIP is also here. And my dorky brother is pretending he's killing imaginary people while going down the stairs because he's weird. Okay, so you've got to be kidding me. You better not want to trade. Hold on, peeps, because I have no idea why people were really trading me, because the last time I made an art book was 2 weeks ago. So if I sound odd, it's just I've been fighting off a really bad cold for the past couple weeks. Okay. I don't know why I clicked that. Hold on, I'm just gonna accept this trade because she might get annoyed if I take forever. And then this one girl never even accepted, did she? Oh, she did. She just never said that she did. Okay. So now we're going to do the drip glitch. So if you don't have a drip, it's okay. Use a drip cap, top, or fame lady because they all do the same thing. But the cap does give you less fame. The top, I think, gives you 1,000 fame, and the cap gives you 500. I'm not 100% sure. If you have level 0 account that you just made, anything like a top or a fame lady will get you all the way to 6, but a cap will only get you to 5, and so you can't send the gift back until you're level 6. So that's the only thing I hate with the drip glitch. Sorry, I'm really laggy. The thing I like to do with drip glitch is I like to unfriend the person and refriend them because it like levels up faster, because it automatically sends that you have fame added and then it will add it to you quicker. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to realize that you have fame added if you don't do it. So, yeah. So you would just wait for it to come up, hit yes, see it would move up just a slight bit, see, and then you can accept while you send it back, or you can automatically accept. But I want it sent back really quickly in case this girl does show up. Because it's not really my account by myself anymore. Because I share the account now. So on this account, I have 2 million, I think, 499,115 fame right now. So when I accept her, it will automatically come up and change. Now I have 2,502. I'm at 2,502,715. So that's how this works. The higher the level, the more it's going to take. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if I know any other glitches. Oh yeah, there is another one. So you can do this. Go to high scores if you want to get a great person. But what you would do is, here, go to movie stars. You would choose a random person, anyone you want, or it can be a friend that you know has stuff. You would make a look of her first. And as soon as you log off, it will go back as soon as you log on, because it will automatically send that it's not your stuff anymore. It'll make you what it made, so you do want to make sure it's a good look. Yeah. So I am gonna choose, I don't know yet because I've never been in her. I guess I will choose this hair because I've always wanted to look like I have a good set. So we'll put on this hair. Okay, I have 3 minutes, so I'm going to hurry up and stop talking because it distracts me. I'm just going to put on random things now. So this is the look. Random. I like to call it the same just so it shows up quicker, so it glitches faster, but you do not have to do it. If you say no thanks, try to say no thanks for your account too. You would make another look of your account, and then on this account you'll see what I do in a minute. If you just want to wear this when you log off, you would just click like your face, so the OK button pops up, and then you can write whatever. And then you would go on this account and see she made a cool look. So click her account. Click buy Princess Skyrockets of others, or whatever account it is. It'll say buy whatever of others. When it loads up, you would hurry up and click really fast. The more lag you get, the better. So you have to be really quick for this, but you want to make sure you end up clicking on yours last. And then you want to click where when it hurries up. You never want to be able to click buy, just where. So it's going to